So if you've been looking for some heavy passing chords, this tutorial is going to be for you. Let's check out this video. Hey.
Jesus, oh, the blood of Jesus, oh, the blood of Jesus, washes white as snow. Oh, the blood,
Similar. At the end. Oh wait, this is one more. I'm missing the same thing. Oh wait, now. Do, la. So let's break down all those chords. So it was me I played in that song. That was 2 months ago. That was a crossover night. So in the key of B flat. So the blood of G, Latido. So what I did Fi. So anytime you go into a 4 chord, you can try this chord. So Amazing Grace. So I did Fi. So I'm doing, and then. So I usually don't play this one, cause like it's already going to be heavy, so you don't really need it. So let's keep going. G, Jesus, I just don't like it. So I'll leave it. I talked about this already, like a major sharp 13, major 11, major 13 sharp 11. So the blood 4. So this chord basically anytime I'm going to a the blood of Jesus, the blood of me la 2. So anytime you're going to anytime you're playing a progression that takes you from the 5 to the 3, you can replace the 5 with the 4 with this chord here. So Fi, the blood of Jesus, the blood of G Latido. Fi, Timila of GT. 4. La, do, di. Then I did Timila again. Timifa. La, da, snow. Then this one like this. So what I did, so let's break that down. So, Fi, La, T. So this is T, me, Jesus. Instead of going to the 6, so you can go to the 4 sometimes. So an example will be Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved. So let's try to go to the 4. So Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved. Like me. Again. I once was lost, but now I'm found. So, and then the other stuff I did was T for the La, Do, or you can think about this as a so T. So let's say Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. The normal progression would have been 4, then 6, 2. When so I played the 2 with the flat 7. I talked about this already in one of my videos. I'll leave a link somewhere there. But yeah. By the way, if you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up and comment what video you want me to make in the future. So let's keep going. So each word the bass player can play 4. So I'm thinking the key of G sharp. So instead of me, so whenever I play your flat 7, the bass player, you can tell the bass player to play the sharp 2. So it makes it like a major 9, like major 13, major 9 ish. Yeah, major 13. So if you tell the bass player, so the bass would, I don't think you will to hear it in the mix, but something I would have done was oh the blood Jesus la is what, but she's like Timmy, like Tim is far. Da, da, so. Do. Oh, the blood of Jesus. Oh, the blood of Jesus. Oh. Of Jesus. 6. Jesus. So. No. Oh. The blood of Jesus. Oh, the blood of Jesus. So that's it for now. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to keep learning more from me, click on this video right here.